Let's talk about one of Reddit's favorite hidden gems, the HSA, or Health Savings Account. Most people think of it as just a medical savings tool, but if you use it right, it's a wealth building machine. So, this is level 6 of the wealth game, investing 15% of your income for retirement, and the HSA might be your secret weapon. Chapter 1. The Pain. You opened an HSA years ago, but it's just sitting there. Or maybe your employer contributes, but you've never invested a dime. Meanwhile, the money could be growing tax-free, and you're leaving wealth on the table. Worse, some people cash it out for every little medical bill, losing the long-term compounding power. Don't be that person. Chapter 2, The Plan. Here's how the HSA actually works, and how to use it to build wealth. Step 1. Make sure you qualify. You need to be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan to contribute. Step 2. Understand the triple tax advantage. You contribute pre-tax. The money grows tax-free. You can use it tax-free for medical expenses. Anytime. Step 3. Only spend if you absolutely need to. The secret is to pay for small expenses out of pocket and let your HSA grow untouched. Step 4. Invest your HSA. Don't just let it sit in cash. Choose mutual funds that outperform the S&P 500 and let the money work for you. Step 5. Track receipts for future reimbursement. You can pay yourself back years later, even decades. Just keep the receipts. Chapter 3. The Pitfalls. You never invest the funds. If your HSA balance is sitting in cash earning 0.01%, you're wasting the opportunity. You spend it every year. Yes, it's allowed, but you're trading long-term growth for short-term relief. You don't know where your old HSA is. If you switch jobs, your old HSA may still exist, unmanaged, uninvested, and forgotten. You don't check the fees. Some HSA providers charge high investment or account fees. Make sure you compare. Chapter 4. The Path Forward. Your HSA isn't just for doctor visits. It's a tax-advantaged retirement weapon. Here's what to do next. Fill out the Invest Steady Client Assessment form. The link is in the description below. I'll help you. Find your old HSA accounts. Get them invested. Choose long-term mutual funds that build wealth. Use your HSA as part of your retirement investing strategy, and if you've maxed out your Roth IRA or 401k, the HSA might be your next move. This is how smart people play the game. Don't let your HSA sit there doing nothing. Comment below and what level are you on. Invest steady. Compound your net worth. Yeah, IT that